So now we are at Muriwai beach, and it's famous for the birdies. So we are gonna go for the track. That way, all you go tracks, and the birds which we're gonna see is those. It's Gannet. So we're gonna walk there. It's a nice beach town. Nice place. Nice. And all this is the track. Some work going on. Your safety stuff. This is the famous track. Look at the color of the ocean. Dusk here, and then far away deep blue, and this black sand, green mountains, and these flowers. Landscaping. It's natural landscaping. So beautiful. Just look at all this thing. Really, really good. So these are the shots, and look at all waves and the beach. You can see people. There are a lot of tracks through which you can get down, and then these are some people coming here and try to have fun. But the landscaping is truly beautiful, and the shapes, and I really like this, how smooth shapes through the wind and stuff they form. Not smooth, but yeah. I hope you can hear the noise. Now going into the green track. Really nice. You can see from here. It's all the birdies. So we're gonna go and see that. So the birdies are here. The Gannet, you can see very close from here. Shapes are so beautiful. So you can have lookouts from the other end and this end from which we are standing. So you can say north and south, and then you can see the beach right in the front. It's all up north. And this is the west coast, Tasman Sea. These are called Gannets. All came from this place. And this is really beautiful with this rock in the middle. A lot of people making noise, but the bird is so beautiful. Just. And how systematically they are sitting. This is what we come for.
What?
Look at the Gannet.
So all the Gannets at the back. Really nice ocean. Beautiful. all the place you walk into the track. It's beautiful inn. I'm not sure how much you can see through. It's a nice track. It's for summer, for sure. Make sure you put on a lot of sunscreen. And the sound of the ocean. It's beautiful. A bit smelly because of the birdies. Poo, I guess. View. There's all these plants. And unlimited ocean. It's marvelous. Beautiful waves. Tasman Sea is famous for the waves. Black sand beach. Beautiful mountains. So that's how you walk to the track. There's a lot of belt works going on. That's the beach. It's a drone view. Really smelly. Feels like a chicken. Oh, really yucky smell. Really yucky. The weather is filled like I'm a chicken farm. Some information. Gannet's Galore. Sometimes you might see these guys visiting here. These guys too. This is a close look. So we were at that end. Now on the other end. It's beautiful. Awesome.
It's a bird, not chicken.
It's beautiful. You can see all the view. It's unlimited beach. That's the closest you can go. But this is more than enough. So they fly across. So we are here on this west coast of New Zealand, and that's Tasman Sea, Australia. So this bird goes up and down. So that's the calendar. Just beautiful.
मुलगी काय म्हणली माहिती का?
Piggy bank.
नाही दे यार, पण माझी मुलगी काय म्हणते, मम्मा ते टग ऑफ वॉर करतायत म्हणे.
And couples always fight.
They're not really, they're loving. They're loving. एक पान आहे.
And she is sitting on an egg.
सगळ्यांच्याच खाली आहे.
So it's an egg nesting. And you can see the eggs there. Krisha, Krisha, Krisha.
Is there any more long grass?
That's the bird view, literally. It's beautiful. I can't go away from this place. Very, very beautiful. That's like a castle rock. It's too beautiful. That's me in the shadow. Yeah, that one.